Hi, I'm Witt, aesthetician here at Weiler Plastic Surgery. Today I want to talk to you about one of our most effective and versatile skin treatments, microneedling. Microneedling is a minimally invasive treatment that helps improve the overall texture, tone, and appearance of your skin by stimulating your body's natural healing process. During the treatment, a specialized device creates tiny controlled micro injuries in the skin. While that may sound intense, these micro injuries actually trigger your body to produce new collagen and elastin, two essential components that keep your skin smooth, firm, and youthful. Microneedling is incredibly versatile and can be used to address a wide range of skin concerns. It's especially effective for improving fine lines and wrinkles, acne scars, enlarged pores, uneven skin texture, and even overall dullness. Treatments are typically quick and well tolerated. You may experience some redness afterward, similar to a sunburn, but this usually subsides within a day or two. With minimal downtime, it's an easy treatment to fit into your routine. For even better results, microneedling can be combined with accelerated serums such as Bright Alive or Rosatrol or firming serum to further enhance treatments for laxity, redness, and pigment correction. We offer something called a glass skin facial, which is my favorite because it combines microneedling with a lightweight chemical peel. So the results that would normally take 6 weeks to start showing, you see those after just a couple of weeks. If you're looking for an effective way to refresh your skin and improve its overall quality, this may be a great option for you. To learn more about microneedling or to find out if you're a good candidate, we invite you to schedule a consultation with one of our aestheticians here at Weiler Plastic Surgery. We'd love to create a personalized treatment plan tailored to your needs.